Inserting text. Type tools allow you to add letters from keyboard to a document. You can use text on a variety of projects, such as adding it to your images to create a poster, a card or invitation, and much more. You can also customize, modify the text to suit your needs. The type tools have their own layers. Normal layer and text layer have different properties. You cannot put text directly in an image layer, as other image files can be opened in the same layer. Photoshop provides 4 type tools, which are horizontal type tool, vertical type tool, vertical type mask tool, and horizontal type mask tool. Let's learn about these. Using horizontal type tool. Follow the below steps to use the horizontal type tool. Step 1. Open a new document in Photoshop and click on the horizontal type tool from the Tools panel. Step 2. Set the properties in the options bar, such as font size, color, style, etc. Step 3. Click on the document or image and start typing the text. Your text will have an underline and a cursor will show where you are inserting the next letter. If you keep typing, the text will continue in one long single line. To start a new line, press Enter key from your keyboard. This procedure is called point text typing. There is a second way for entering text, that is paragraph text. Step 1. Open a new document and click on the horizontal type tool from the Tools panel. Step 2. Drag the mouse pointer in an outward direction to draw a rectangle. You should see something like this. Step 3. Now when you start typing, the text is limited by the box's size. As soon as the text reaches the boundary of the bounding box, it moves to the next line automatically. You do not have to press the Enter key. You can increase the size of this box by dragging the text box handles on the center and corner of the dotted box. Step 4. With the help of the Move tool, align the entire block of text anywhere on your page. Similarly, you can enter text perpendicularly on your image by using the Vertical Type tool. Using Horizontal Type Mask tool, the Horizontal Type Mask tool allows us to put an image as text fill instead of solid colors. Follow the below steps to do so. Step 1. Open an image in an existing Photoshop document. Now, we have 2 layers, one with white background, second is image layer above the background layer. Step 2. Select the image layer. Step 3. Click and hold the left mouse button pressed on the horizontal type tool in the Tools panel. A flyout menu opens. Step 4. Choose the horizontal type mask tool from the flyout menu. Step 5. Type some text on the image layer. No new text layer will be created as it is a masked text. Step 6. After entering text, as you click on the Move tool from the Tools panel, the text will be converted into dotted selection border which look like marching ants. Step 7. Click on the Layer Mask tool icon present at the bottom of the Layers panel. It will place the image inside text, so the background is visible through the text. If you want to use brush or paint texture on text layer, or you want to use image adjustment, you need to rasterize the text layer. Rasterizing means the text will be converted into pixels, allowing you to make image adjustments that normally do not work with text layer. Rasterize is the process of converting a vector image to a raster image. The problem is that you will no longer be able to edit the text, change the formatting, or convert it back to a text layer.